Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to make equal column width in PowerPoint. And here you can see that I have a table over here, but its columns are not equal. So how you can make it equal? For this, you need to select the entire table and then click on the layout tab on the top menu bar. And here you will see that in the cell size group width, here you need to put the value of the column width, for example 1.75, and click outside, and here you can see that the columns are instantly equal. Another way is that you need to click on the layout option and just click on the distribute column, and here you can see that the all columns are equally distributed. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to make equal column width in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.